Hello new moms, I hope you and your baby are doing good. This video is really going to helpful to new moms as well as to be moms who are expecting to deliver in very near future. So keep watching as I'm going to share some practical aspects for this phase of your life. During this phase, a woman has to go through many physical as well as emotional and mental changes. Again, this phase can create depression as lot many new challenges are coming on a way, especially how to handle a baby. Then your mind is full of fear at this time, like fear of losing freedom, fear of changing priorities, fear of unshaped body and overweight. So how one can joyfully pass out this phase? Well, the most important thing to keep in mind all the time during this phase is this all is temporary and not permanent. Now, first thing first, that don't expect that just after delivering a baby, you are going to regain your flat stomach. It is a dream for some time, maybe for months or for a few years. But don't disappoint yourself with your fluffy tummy or overweight. You are still beautiful and it will going to be very normal after some period of time, but for that you have to be very patient. Don't expect overnight changes, and this is also not safe for your body because at this time your body has become very weak, so gradual change is healthy. Now, if looking good is more important to you, then this stage may be more depressive for you because now open hair, tight clothing, makeup, all are not for you for some time. So here also you must keep in mind that these all are temporary and not permanent. So be patient with yourself. You have to tie your hair, then you have to wear loose comfortable clothes that can be stylish but not at the cost of your comfort. This is also good for you as well as your baby. So don't daydream about the normal life with all you were doing before, as you must be watching fancy pics of celebrities on social media. First, concentrate on your health. You will able to do all this, but at later stage where you and your baby will be fully settled down. So don't stress on outer look and concentrate on your health. You have to rest your body as well as your mind as much as you can. If your baby is not cranky and have good sound sleep during daytime, then you are lucky to have rest at that time also. Have sound sleep when your baby is also sleeping. Don't waste much time on phone or social media. I highly suggest to keep away your phones during this period. Avoid using screen unnecessarily as it can create physical problems like headache. Now, if you are having helping hands with you, like your mom, your in-laws, your husband, then please rely on them and allow them to do baby's thing like pee, potty, changing diapers, cleaning, making them asleep, so that you can rest in a better way. Don't take all the responsibilities at a time. Either you can delegate them with other family members or prioritize them. Now, during this period of time, seeking help from a father of a baby is also important because it will strengthen the bonding between a baby and a father. So, if your baby cannot sleep well at night, then you can divide the responsibility of waking up with your partner. Now, the next most important thing is that don't be in a hurry to start working out or exercising, especially when you are having C-section. First, concentrate on gaining strength and peace. Have healthy and good food, sound sleep, and avoid junk food and non-veg totally. Before starting any kind of exercise, you must consult your doctor first. Another thing is you should concentrate on your hygiene as well as baby's hygiene. Now, during this time, unwillingly, you are going to face many hormonal changes, and due to which you may have the problems like severe hair fall. But I highly recommend you not to use products which have high amount of chemical into it. These kind of problems will automatically cure over a period of time. And if such problems persist for so long, then you always have the option to consult the doctor. Remember one thing, that for well-being of your life in future, you have to sacrifice your starting period of at least 2 or more years. You will find yourself very new, refreshed, and strong if you have kept calm and patience during this time. So be relaxed, be happy, and be ready to enjoy motherhood. Bye. Take care.